Hi, Darren here from WAGS Valve with some preventive, cost-effective advice. How to avoid water damage in the aftermath to your property due to a leaking water heater. Water damage is sometimes the price we pay for aging plumbing. 75% of water heaters fail within 12 years, with the average water damage claim of $6,965. There are a few simple things that you can do right away that will help minimize water damage should your water heater fail. Turn off the heat source. If it's gas, turn the dial to the off position. If electric, turn off the power at the breaker. Look for the switch in your electrical box labeled water heater. Turn off the water supply. Once the heater is turned off, you want to stop any more water from going into the tank. Turn the valve clockwise until it stops. The best preventive plan is a simple and smart WAGS valve installed, protecting your property from water damage due to water heater failure 24/7. And remember, the WAGS valve requires no electricity, no batteries, no wireless signal, no maintenance, and no worries for the property owner. If you have any questions, we would love to hear from you. You could reach out to us at 844-438-9247. The WAGS valve, simple, smart, with over 100,000 plus installed. WAGS will watch so you don't have to.